Hello, my name is Traian, and I'm the creator of Fractalon Unified Theory. And today I officially declare war to all physicists in the world. Take these two Bibles. It's your weapon. The forces do not exist. They never existed. Take these two Bibles, write an article on Wikipedia, a translation of anything in physics in Fractalon Unified Theory. Today I'm alone, me against all. But maybe tomorrow we'll be us. We'll be 7 and we become army of protons. And together with this, we will put all the physicists in the world in the mud. Down in the mud, where they belong. The forces never existed. The forces do not exist. Me, Traian, I salute you, army of fractalons. And maybe when we become B7, the army of protons. Perfect cubic structure with half of balls rotating one direction and half of balls rotating in another direction. One supplementary Higgs boson become lepton. Model of simulation of rotating balls in perfect structure. When you add the new fractalon in a perfect cubic structure of rotating fractalons, he will deform this structure and he will change the speed of rotation of each fractalon in the system. This new rotation speed is the new speed of light, the speed of transmission of lateral movement of each fractalon, the speed of precession of the poles. And the frequency in changing pole of the lepton is the frequency of light. It's a light stuck in the system, but it's a light. So we'll have two zones of different rotation and translation around the fractalon. This is electromagnetism. In this video, in slow motion, we see the contact between Higgs boson or fractalons in perfect cubic structure with the additional lepton. And how additional lepton gets his movement in a double 8, the demi-spin, the half of spin, and his frequency of changing poles. This frequency depends on contact with 8 motors and the speed of rotation of 8 motors. Of course, rotation of every balls in the system is speed of light, and frequency of changing pole give us the frequency of light. The additional lepton will create two zones around him. In proximity, we'll create two kind of zones. One with high rotation and slow translation. This zone I call them airbags, and another zone with very high translation and slow rotation. Together, the two zones will create the electromagnetism. At a distance, we'll have only a difference in rotation of layers of fractalons, and this difference in speed of rotation, the speed of light, will create gravity. If we have two electrons in the system, the difference of speed of rotation of 8 motors of everyone created by gravity of other will transform a rotation energy of fractalons in contact in translation in impact between fractalons, between airbags, and this will give us the light. Two electrons approaching. The proton. Impact between one electron and one proton. Visualization of strong force, the fractalon's liberty of movement stacked in the proton, and visualization of weak force, the liberty of movement of lepton between the 8 fractalons. Helium atom. Gold atom.